So hello and welcome friends to our channel Intromech, where we discuss about basic mechanical engineering concepts. So guys, we design different kind of machines, and when we design these machines we have to design different mechanisms. Now when we design some mechanisms, there are some linkages are there, and we have to find out their, let's say, parameters like forces, velocities, accelerations. So when the problem becomes complex, it's very difficult to do the hand calculations. So we have different platforms which are readily available. So today we will just start with the one of the platforms which is called as Mech Analyzer. So let's check it out. So go on the internet and just type Mech Analyzer. You will find Robo Analyzer, Mech Analyzer. Just click on the download Mech Analyzer, and you will find lot of versions over there. So you can also see what are the system requirements, and you can see the version. So 6 is the latest version. You can just download that. So when this is totally free, so just download it. So as soon as you download, there will be one zip file. So you have to like unzip that file, right? And then you have to install it. So this is the file, and there is a application folder. So just go on that, and this is the window. Now here you could see the different mechanisms. We can select the mechanism. There are a lot of things we can select, like we have 4-bar, slider crank, double slider, then cam mechanism. Just click on OK and the parameters will get changed. So let's select the slider crank. You can see the slider crank over here, and on the top we have different options over here. So on the top left hand side, we can see, on the bottom also we can see what is L1, L2, and we can change according to that. Here we can see the inversions. We have learned this thing, what are the inversions. So by fixing the links and changing them, we can get the inversions. Now this is a model where we get the velocity and position, displacement, and static forces. So we have to select the chain. Now 4-bar chain is there, or we can change it to slider crank. So just click on that slider crank, so it will get changed, and just click OK. So it will get changed, and click on the velocity. You can increase the speed of animation, and it will give you directly the velocity vector diagram and the acceleration diagram, and the results you will get what are the different results. Then we get the static force analysis. We just have to go into this window. Then if we want, say, IC the instantaneous centers, so we can just click on the draw or play. So here it is giving the instantaneous center for 4-bar mechanism. We have selected the 4-bar mechanism, so it will give the instantaneous centers of 4-bar mechanism. Now if we want some instantaneous center between different links, we can give the links. Let's say we want the between link 1 and link 3. Just click done. So it will give us the instantaneous center between link 3 and link 1. So this is how we can get the forces and all those things from the links which are already available in the software. Then we have another module available in the same software. So this is totally free. We can change the input to joint trajectory, and we can also model the things into this software, but we will check what are the options available. Then cam model, you just have to run and the window will open. Now here you can see the display graph, displacement graph, cam profile, then rotate cam. So we have to check the input parameters. What is the ascent angle, what is the dwell, what is the descent angle, then height, then base circle radius, offset roller radius, which type of follower is there, knife edge or roller. Let's select a roller. The ascent is, let's say, simple harmonic motion, and the descent is, let's say, constant velocity. So we can change the constant acceleration cycle order. And then what we have to do is just click on the animate cam, and it will start creating the cam. So this is very useful. We can understand what the different parameters and how they are affecting the things. Then we have cam profile. So we have to just click on the show displacement graph, so it will show the displacement graph. We can draw the cam profile. We have to just click next step, so it will show us step by step how it is the cam profile is generated. So we can also get to know that how it is generated. And the displacement curve, we can have animate displacement diagram, so it will show that how the displacement diagram can be generated. So we just have to click next step, and it will show how it is generated. So this is fascinating. And then we have display graph here, so we can just display the graphs, and we will get the, for ascent we get the maximum velocity, and maximum acceleration. For descent we will get the maximum velocity, and the acceleration is 0. So we get all these graphs also over here, and all these parameters we get in this cam module of Make Analyzer. So let's check out what other parameters we have. Then we have gear profile module. So in this module we can see how the profiles are generated. So let's check out one example. Let's say we have cycloid. So just we can change the radius, just hit on start. We can increase the speed of the animation, and we can see how it is generated. So this is very helpful, not only to the professionals but also for the students. I think this is very important. They can imagine, and they can see how the different profiles are generated. Sometimes it is not easy to imagine these things, so this is a very good platform where you can see these things, how it is generated. Then we have a gear meshing model, gear meshing module. So here we have external meshing, so we can change the gear tooth numbers, and all this input data we can change, and we just have to apply it. It will get changed. Input 2 is external meshing. The center distance we just have to apply, and it will get changed. The controls, we can see, we just hit the button, and it will show how it is moving. And the results, if you go into the results, so if you go into the results, we'll get the pinion teeth, gear teeth, and addendum, dedendum, and interference, whether it is interference or not. So this is kind of very useful software which is freely available on the internet. Students can also take advantage of this, and this is kind of the thing in which there are some inbuilt mechanisms which we are using. In the upcoming sessions we will see that how we can create our own links and mechanisms, and how those can be analyzed. So this is it, guys, for our today's session, and I hope you guys got some new knowledge, and I hope you understood the thing. So if you have any doubts, please do write into the comment section, and we can discuss over there. Until then, keep intro making. Thank you for your patient listening. Thank you.